Assalamu alaikum everyone. So I'm gonna bring this Bitcoin update, and we're trading at $83,000, but $83,000 look like a price where Bitcoin has been stuck for quite a long time right now. And this is what we have so far, especially on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, yeah, we have this resistance, we have another resistance, and then we have another resistance right over here. We have the support right there, we got another support in here, we have another support right in there, and then you have another support as well. So we have descending broadening wedge. It's a channel going on, it's a bullish channel going on as well. And there are some few things I want you to stick until the end, because you may not want to miss some of these important points that I want to lay down, which is going to pave the path for the future. And as far as the resistance and support goes on, so whenever you have resistance line and then you have another support line, you will come up to a junction, right? So you're going to come to a junction that we call apex. Apex is where resistance and support meet to a final date. Okay, they're deciding what's the final date that we should make a move, right? So before our 16 April, so we have 11 days, and I want you to follow this channel if you're not. Like this video if you are, so that other people may see this, that in 11 days we want to know what Bitcoin will do, right? In 11 days. And the reason I say 11 days is because you will definitely have a break either to the upside and actually start to push up again, right? And if you push up, you go to all-time high, or, and listen to this one, it's going to be very dramatic what I'm about to say. What is about to happen is Bitcoin is actually going to break down, do a fake out and move up. That's another possibility. Or you just break down and fall down all the way down to $64,000, right? That's another thing, because that's the lowest part of the channel, or at least fall down to maybe 69 and retest the previous all-time high. Now we have time until 11 of April. So what about the monthly? So let's check what the monthly time frame is actually doing. And if I dive into the monthly time frame, we have this EMA right now, and Bitcoin has held the 10 EMA on the monthly. So you had one move up, one retest here, a couple of retests right there, and another 10 monthly EMA retest. So the lower you can actually push is again to even 69K, touch the 20, and then actually move to the upside. And this is very hard to tell. It is really hard to tell whether you will make that retest to 69K go up, because 69K is a huge support, right? It's a huge, if I had to draw this for you, that's the previous all-time high, right? It is still a huge support. Maybe touch 69K, touch the 20. That's a big support. That's an amazing entry as well. Okay, I don't see it coming down to 55. That would be a little bit too much, but maybe 68, 69, that's okay. That's fine. And by this time, you can have altcoin bleeding a little bit more as well, maybe 30%, maybe 40%, but then still try to go and move to the upside. One more thing is that before we talk about going to 20 EMA, we have Bitcoin that has this, doji on the monthly. So March, the month of March that recently ended, closed in a bullish fashion, which could actually help April to move to the upside. Now, whether you may actually come down, touch it, and take stop losses and then go up, that's a different story, right? People may have their stop losses because of the candle at 77K, and we could take that out and then move to the upside. That's possible. So what is going to happen? Okay, and this is for the first time. It's hard for me to pick a direction, honestly, because as I said, you can still touch 69K, go up. And you also have reason to move up because your RSI is down. It is way too oversold, and you have some bullish divergences appearing as well. So what is going to happen again is extremely, extremely difficult to say. So in 11 days, we will know which direction Bitcoin is going to take. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.